this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to Quick Crafts. Okay, so we have our brand new stamps here that we're going to be playing with today. Okay, so we'll have a quick look at the new stamps and then we shall look at how we're going to make this card. I am here to talk about our brand new stamp release. Okay, so we've got 15 stamps here in total. We've got some lovely bottle sets along with their labels as well, so you can actually stamp inside. And I'll show you an example in a bit. We've got our lovely pixie boot here. That's a smaller one. We've got some foliage with some rocks and some grass. We've got one of our star fairies here. This is Scout. That's a large one. We also do her in a small facing the other way. We've got Rogue, our other little fairy. We've got our snail house. We've got our larger pixie boot. We've got Scout facing the other way. We've got our snail cap mushrooms. So we've got two different ones there. And we've got our lovely sentiments here. Home is where the heart is, love you to the moon and back. We've got some more foliage and some more mushrooms there. So 15 in total. So I will show you some cards in a while, what I've been up to using these lovely stamps. So we will be doing a bundle on these, so keep your eyes peeled for that. We've also got more goodies. We have some sticker stencils. Now these are also bottle shapes. So we've got 4 different bottles there in a smaller size. That's more of a standard size. And we've got 2 of the large ones here. Now we will be able to create some, let me have a look, where is it? Got a card here to show you what you can create actually using the stencils. Here we go. And I've got the new stamps inside, and I've had so much fun actually creating this. It's been great, and I hope that you enjoy them as much as I have. Not only that, we've designed some corks as stamps to fit inside as well. So these corks will fit in any one of these bottles to give you that real sort of 3D effect, which again has been so much fun creating these. We've also got some sentiment stickers here which fit absolutely perfectly inside your label. So you can pick your sentiment and pop it inside to create something like this, which again I had so much fun creating. We are also doing a bundle set with these as well. You can obviously buy any of these products individually, or we'll be doing them as a bundle. So keep your eyes peeled for those as well. And now I'm just going to show you some cards that I have made over the last few days. So I've made some cards using some of our lovely brand new stamps and sticker stencils, and I'm just going to go through those with you as well. So we've got the lovely Scout here sitting on that gorgeous mushroom, and we've got our lovely verse here as well. We've got Rogue, which is one of our lovely new fairies. We've got some toadstools there. And the bottles, which I absolutely love using, especially with these little names that we've got as part of the set as well. Got some more mushrooms and we've got more bottles. They're just so much fun to use, these are. So I have done a couple of videos with some of these cards, so you'll be able to see those as we go along. And we've got the lovely snail house here as well. We've got our boot, and we've got a tag using some more of those lovely bottles. Now the sticker stencils, the bottles that we have, I've used some of the new stamps here to fill that in, which I think looks really effective, and it's got that cork as well as a stamp that goes into the top, making it look more three-dimensional again. And then this one actually is using a lot of our older stamps in one of the other sizes of bottles as well. So there will be lots more to come, but that's all I've had time to do so far. So I hope you enjoy looking at these samples, and I hope it's going to inspire you to have a go yourselves, because I have had so much fun creating all of these. So this is one of our tags. So we've got one just here, and we're literally going to create the background on the gel press and then stamp over the top to get this, hopefully. Thanks for watching, guys. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.